哎，等一下，噔噔，看一下简讯，看一下简讯。
有没有哎？
我们要去纽西兰，
你有没有熬头？
纽西兰继续玩。
我没有啊，我没有啊。
走啊，我们去 renting a car。哦 ，it's cold。好冷啊 ！Hello。Hi。Nice to meet you.
Nice to meet you. How are you today?
Good, but cold.
Yes, may I have your passport and license, please?
Passport, license.
有，准备好了。
Thank you very much. I just need your name and expiration date, and then also I need to have your original Taiwanese driver's license.
有，我有带。
飛機交給唔啦？
有，我知道，我有查過，要台灣的。
Oh, you need double, right?
Yes. International driver's license is always regarded as a translation. So you always need to have your original driver's license here.
我哋就做差動呢天，好多東西都會帶天來。
So in New Zealand, you have to drive left-hand side, whereas in Taiwan, you guys are driving on right-hand side. If you can see it like this, if you go right-hand side, so you need to use the blinker first.
方向定位打。
Yeah, in New Zealand, the roundabout is everywhere. So you have to, you need to really
Be careful.
Yes, okay.
可是我跟你講，是個嚴煩的時間就會注意方向就出來，然後台灣輕模窮樣了。
對啊，就像你說的 ，renting a car is very convenient。你看，剛剛有 shuttle bus，現在有專人幫我們講解。不過真的要特別注意，這交通規則看起來好像 ，It's no problem， 交給我哈。
So now, whenever you're ready, I
Car?
can show you the car. Is that okay?
OK，
Yeah.
Okay, let's go now.
OK，主宰。
哇，姐姐，
renting a car is
我
convenient，你看，
茶。
人都還幫我拿行李呢。
對啊
不過很重
哎
要的是啊，renting a car is very convenient，但是你要特別注意，他會叫你要確認一下這個車子有沒有問題。
哦，
對。
主裁懂呢天呢。
renting a car is very convenient，真的很方便呢。